There's a bird in it.
Can you not do it anymore, D? You gotten too big?
His feet were too slick.
Oh, it's sweaty.
All right. Are we even sure it's up there? It might have gone in our room.
Yeah, we're sure it's up there. It is.
All right, you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, move that picture so it flies down.
Whistle to it.
Oh, it likes Davis's whistle.
You're a cake birdie.
Davis, move the picture.
Stand up there. Get all the way up there, buddy. Get all the way up there.
And move the picture.
Grab your hand. Grab that picture with 2 hands and move it towards us.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Don't
Nope.
be scared of the bird.
The bird is gonna be fine. Move that picture. Grab it from the top.
I'm scared it's going to fall.
No,
Oh,
but
the picture.
just move it a little and hold it up.
Davis, it'll stay up, okay? It won't fall.
Hey, can you grab the bird in your hand?
The bird in my hand?
Yeah.
Oh, it's coming.
Oh, there it is. All right, get the door open. Amber, why is that door closed?
See?
Oh, it's right here. Shh. Stay calm. Whoa. Go out the door, bird. Out the front door. Okay, stop.
Wait, can I take a picture?
Go get your camera.
No, but Abby, your camera is dead.
Hey, bud.